You can buy anti-aging cream for your face, but what if you could essentially run your gray matter through a time machine? A groundbreaking new clinical trial published in the Journal of Sport and Health Science suggests you can, and you don't need a questionable supplement sold by a guy in a lab coat on Instagram to do it. Researchers at Advent Health and the University of Pittsburgh recruited 130 adults in midlife, ages 26 to 58, and didn't just ask them how they felt. They subjected them to MRI scans and used a machine learning tool called brainageR to measure the biological age of their brain structure compared to their actual chronological age. The question wasn't about weight loss or beach bodies. It was about whether standard aerobic exercise could literally pause, or even reverse, the neurodegeneration that leads to dementia. The results highlight a biological divergence that should terrify anyone currently sitting on a couch. The participants were split into two camps, a control group that didn't change their habits, and an exercise group that hit the gym for 150 minutes a week. After 1 year, the control group's brains did exactly what you'd expect. They withered, aging by about 0.35 years. But the exercise group? Their brains didn't just stay the same. They effectively traveled back in time, appearing 0.6 years younger on the scans. That creates a massive, statistically significant gap of nearly 1 full year in brain health between the movers and the sitters. This is the physiological equivalent of compound interest. By investing in movement now, you aren't just stalling decline, you are actively restructuring your neural architecture. So, what is the magic dose to keep your mind from aging faster than your body? It's 150 minutes of moderate to vigorous aerobic activity per week. We aren't talking about training for an ultramarathon. We are talking about brisk walking, cycling, or anything that gets your heart rate up enough to make you regret your lunch slightly. As neuroscientist Dr. Kirk Erickson notes, this study proves that starting in your 30s or 40s gives your brain a critical head start against aging before the damage becomes irreversible. You have the data, and you have the protocol. The only variable left is you. Does knowing your brain is physically shrinking on the couch make you want to stand up right now? Let me know in the comments. Are you hitting your 150 minutes?